Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is VEDA day 10 for April 2018. And today has been a day full of interesting things, to say the least. And I actually got more accomplished today than I was expecting to, and I've still got a few hours of the day left. So hopefully I'll be able to get the other things I want to done. So by the time you see this, some of them pertaining to a portion of the video later will be done as well. Anyway, start at the beginning. The very best place to start. When we sing, no, that's not where we're going with this. Stop. So, today was the first sunny day we've had in a while. So I took the kids to the playground and we got to hang out with some of their friends who live in the community down the road. Like, it's maybe a 10-ish minute walk away tops. So that was cool. The kids got to run around and play in the sunshine, and the sunshine was needed. And as you can see, my cheeks are a little bit red because my exposure to the sun here is so rare that I'm slightly sunburnt from less than 2 hours in the sun. Yeah, super fun. And if you're in my Facebook group, you already know about this SNAFU. And if you're not, you should join the Facebook group if you want to have some more fun, potentially slightly more PG interaction with me and some of the other members of this Yarny community and the people who watch this channel. The Facebook group is Randy's Random Family. And so, desk situation. Checking back in with the hilarity. Like, I can't even be mad about it anymore. I'm just like, this is so ridiculous. Whatever. I couldn't even be upset. So today, UPS came to pick up the first box. And I wasn't by the door when it occurred. So I went to let the dog in and noticed that there was a package by the door. But it was wrapped in plastic, which the box that I had going out was obviously no longer wrapped in plastic because I just used 90 pounds of packing tape to put the box back together or whatever. So I went to look at it and it was box 2 of 2. So if the janky people at UPS would have actually researched, or if somebody would have admitted that they left the second box on the truck and just said, oh hey, it got forgotten in shipment, it'll be on its way Monday, I would have been like, cool, great, like that's really all I wanted to know. Is there a second box coming? When is it going to be here? So they took the first box and left the second one here. Yeah. So I called Amazon and I was like, hi, I called Saturday because I only got box 1 of 2, while today I got box 2 of 2. And I wanted to make sure that I'm still getting a full new unit, either sometime later this week or beginning of next week. And if so, can you arrange a pickup from UPS for box 2 of 2? Oh, sweet Lord. Like I said, I can't even be mad about it. It's just so dumb at this point. I don't even know. I don't know if it's something wrong at the fulfillment center, if it's UPS themselves having an oops, hello black cat who looks disembodied. It's just, I am having a displeased today. But by the same token, like I said, I'm not even upset about it anymore at this point. I'm just annoyed. I just want my stuff here so I can put my stupid desk together and get my bedroom back in order. Ugh. So, the box finally shipped, and my desk should be here Friday. Which, if you don't know, Friday is the 13th, which is fantastic. And I do say that with sincerity, not sarcasm. Because Friday the 13th is always a really good day for me. Because everyone else in the world has a crappy day. So that is the one day of the year that Randy has good luck. And I will buy 1 scratch-off lotto ticket up to a total of $5 on that day. And usually I win at least twice what I pay. So, not gonna knock it. It's, yeah. And Friday, I am hopefully, provided I get the edits finished in the printed pattern, which with all the other crap I've got going on, I'm gonna try my damnedest, but I am not 100%. Right now I'm about 90% positive that I'm going to be able to release the written pattern and video for the Hangetsu shawl on Friday, which will be the 13th. Yay! I have been rambling a long time. Oh my goodness. So that's all taken care of with the desk now. Tomorrow, I guess the shelf is called a library with doors. That's the technical term for the type of shelving that I got, I guess. I don't know. It's open on top. It has several shelves, and then the bottom part has a drawer and a couple of doors that open. Whatever. So that'll be here tomorrow, which is fine, so I can get that set up, because that, unlike the hutch and the desk, doesn't require another part. So I'll get that done and set up, get as much stuff put away in there as I can, and that'll alleviate some of the insanity and insomnia-inducing clutter that's in my bedroom. Then, aside from that, I got to photograph all of my yarn this evening, just before the kids got in the shower. So, super, super excited about that, because hopefully by the time this goes live, I will have them all edited and have my listings done. So you will actually be able to go buy them if you are so inclined. And at the end of this video, I'm going to have a little slideshow that's going to show all of the yarns with their names. And I will leave a link to my shop at the end of the video like I always do, so you can find it if you're interested. Aside from that, I got my tags printed. I'm gonna try and hold it close enough for you to be able to see, but I'm not sure if it will focus so you can see it. Yes. So, that is my tag. And for some reason, even though it looks backwards to me, it's showing it facing the right direction on the screen. So that is what my tag looks like for now. I did save the other versions. Also, if you're in my Facebook group, you would have seen me ask people if they had an opinion on the best font. I chose this one for this round because it is the clearest and the easiest to read. And I'm going to be putting these, which is on heat transfer paper. I'm going to be putting it on the twill cotton ribbon that I showed that I got recently. I'm going to be putting it on this stuff. And I'm going to be able to sew it on all of my items that are not yarn. So, not only am I going to be using the transfer paper and this stuff, but instead of getting out the ironing board, I'm going to use this thing, which I have had for a while now and haven't gotten a chance to use yet, so super excited about that. It's got a cutting mat on one side, and it has a heat-safe surface on the other side that you can use for blocking, you can use it for steaming, you can use it for ironing, whatever. So I got that. That is exciting. And I'm going to be finishing up the second zero lovey tonight, because with going out and getting sunshine all morning long, I did not have time to finish the second zero lovey. And I had absolutely zero motivation to finish it last night. I actually went to sleep early for me. I was in bed at 11:30 and it was close to midnight when I finally, the last time I looked at the clock. So it was probably shortly after that I fell asleep. So I have slightly renewed energy and a lot of things to get done tonight. And I finally managed to successfully take apart one of the ball bands from the bear yarn, so I'm going to be using the size of this and the information as a template so that I can make my own ball bands for my yarn that will have all of the important information about care and gauge and fiber content. And it will have the colorway, and it'll have my little company logo here. So I got a lot done today, even though it doesn't seem like much. I really did accomplish a lot of things today. Pretty exciting. So I didn't get jack done for crochet, but I got a bunch of other stuff done, so Yay! It's all business related, so I guess it's acceptable and it's good. So I guess that is it for me. So I wanted to just say thank you to everybody for watching, and if you're interested in seeing what the yarn all looks like, all pretty and photo spread like, I'm gonna add a little segment onto the end of this that's gonna be like a dynamic moving slideshow with some jazzy music in the background to make it seem more interesting. So if you're down for that, stick around. If not, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys all in the video tomorrow. Bye.